This 1.2L gaming beast is a powerhouse, delivering insane 1440p performance that will blow your mind. With the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D at the helm, you're getting top-tier processing power that handles multitasking like a champ. Pair that with the RTX 4070 12GB, and you're looking at over 120 FPS on ultra settings in games like Cyberpunk, RDR2, and Hogwarts Legacy. The 32GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz ensures smooth gameplay and lightning-fast load times, while the 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD gives you ample storage for all your games and quick access to your files. A 750W Gold PSU guarantees stability and efficiency, and the X670 motherboard ties it all together with cutting-edge features. So, would you build this beast, or are you leaning towards Intel?